This is a video of my fireplace that I created without a fire. What this is the logs are from Amazon, and in the fire is actually light bulbs that are in my fireplace, and they create a feel of a fire. And then I also have a thing that makes the sound of fire that I got on Amazon. So I'm gonna put this, I suppose, in all three categories, or somehow give you all the information if you need a fire that isn't a fire. Okay, thanks.
So here is the fireplace crackling sound maker making crackling sounds in my electric log fireplace. Doesn't sound too bad, and you can adjust the volume, and there's a number of different sound modes. So if you even wanted to play music, it will do that. I find the music that it has built into it kind of insipid, but hey, no accounting for taste. You might like it. I like the crackling though. It kind of almost feels warmer this way.